The villagers retired for the night on July 27, 1976, unaware of the devastation that would occur the next morning. At 3:42 a.m., the earth roared and began to shake violently. Skyscrapers collapsed, crashing into the surrounding buildings as they fell. Homes crushed families while they slept, unaware of the sudden violence the earth had thrust upon them. Within moments, everything was gone. The factories where the fathers had worked, the schools the children had attended, the homes where the families slept and lived their lives,